So the first move I'll teach you is basically you gotta keep your body still. For beginners, don't move your body yet. Keep your body still and just focus on your arms for now. We'll move to body later. So basically the first move goes like this. So it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know it's stupid right now, but trust me, you'll get that part where you move your body, hip movement, and everything later. But first, you gotta make sure that you keep your body still, and then you have muscle memory. So you have to develop that muscle memory doing this. First, practice. So this must go with the music. So the music goes like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It will go something like this. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So as an example. And firstly, just focus on your arms, and then later you can move to the body. So for the body, what you can do is you start for the body, you don't move your arms, okay? And then I like to put my left leg forward. Some people like to do this, some people just like to do this. It's really up to personal preference. But for my preference, for beginners, you put your left leg forward, and then you just bounce, 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 bounce. Okay? Now you have to do this with the music. So the music is like boom, 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 boom. For example, yeah. And then after you get the rhythm for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then because you practice your arms already, so it's 1, 2, 3, you can combine it together. So for slow motion, it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So you combine these two together, and basically, if I use the music, it'll go something like this. And that's it. So practice these two first. Okay? And then in step 2, I'll show you some other variations.